Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ala. Today I wanted to do a soft pink look on an olive skin tone. And I've picked out a few products here to kind of achieve this look. I already went in with my SPF here, and now I'm gonna go in with this Perez Oatmilk foundation. This is in my project pan, so I'm just using it up. There's still quite a bit in there, but it's definitely winding down soon. I hope you guys have been doing well. I was inspired by, I was in Ulta recently, and I was just kind of swatching a bunch of blushes, and I wanted to find kind of the perfect mauve blush. And believe it or not, it was actually really hard to find. So I found one in the Clinique brand. So I have that today to show you guys, because I haven't really tried a whole lot of Clinique product, but I used to have a favorite cream blush stick, one of those chubby sticks, and I don't even remember what color it was, but it was so pretty. And because it was in a stick form, that was the one that I wore to work all the time, and I definitely used that one up, and it's been long gone for years. But this time I found a new color in a powder form, so I'll show you guys what came home with me when I was there. I'm using the Perez Potted Concealer. It's their Arnica Concealer in Latte. Just kind of get that on there quick. Moving on to powder, I'm just going to set the face really quick because I don't want the blush powder to go on just directly on creamy products. So I'm just gonna set everything. I'll do my eyebrows next. This is my Nature Republic brow pencil in 3, the shade 3. I think they're only numbers. It's a Korean product. I might do my lips first and then I'll do the blush. This is the iconic Nude Lip Cheat by Charlotte Tilbury. And this is the Milk Makeup Odyssey Lip Oil in Soul Search. These smell so good. I don't even know what it is. It's not exactly vanilla, kind of like caramel. It's really nice. I might do I'll do the bronzer after the blush, just so you can see the blush color really well. But this is the Clinique package, and it's the blushing blush powder. I guess that's it, in the shade Smoldering Plum. So I'll show you what it looks like, and I'll swatch it on my hand. This is the package here. Then it's kind of clear on the other side, and that's the color. It kind of matches my shirt. This is the color inside. Comes with a little brush, really soft. This brush, I would definitely use this if I was like going on a beach trip or something, because our coast is not that far. So I love having little travel friendly items like that. I'm gonna just take this little piece of plastic out of there. So this is what the color looks like. I'll swatch it on my arm. Yeah, that's really, really pretty. Kind of neutral to cool toned skin, and if anything, just olive tones. It might fit really, really well for olive toned people. So I'm just gonna use a fluffy brush like this Flower Beauty one. I don't know how pigmented it is, so I'm just gonna kind of start with a little going on a little bit patchy. Not sure if I just didn't, if I didn't powder my face enough. There's a little bit, there's definitely a sheen. It's really subtle, but there's a sheen in this color. I don't know if it's gonna be visible at all. I mean, the color is nice. I just kind of wish it was a little more purpley, a little more on the like a grayish neutral side. It definitely went on a lot smoother on this side. We'll just have to tone it down a little bit. Yeah, it's not as plum as I had hoped actually, and it comes off quite a bit warmer even in the camera. So it's not quite the look, but that's okay. We'll just keep going. I'm gonna use this cream highlight. I'm going to use this Makeup by Mario Cream Enhancing Cream Skin Enhancer, if I can get it right. Just want like a subtle, soft appearance today, with a little more emphasis or focus on the pink. All right, the base is looking nice. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Natasha Denona Glam palette. I will use that pink at the top there. I'm gonna go in with the lightest shades first to kind of lay down a base. I was thinking, just for my search for a really good neutral to cool toned blush, there is a color by Nars. It's a blush color that it's called Sin. It's in the shade Sin. I was thinking of trying that one out because online it looks really nice, but you just never know what to believe really, because a lot of colors look really, really different. And as you know, we know that olive skin tones, it tends to pull warmer. So every shade that is a little bit cooler and you wanted it even warmer than that, it's not as warm. It doesn't usually tend to come out as cool as we would like it to. So that's kind of what I'm doing, is trying to swatch things as much in person if I get a chance to. And then I'll test it out myself. So I'll just keep testing this Clinique blush because the color itself is so pretty, and it might actually be nice and cool for a neutral skin person. But for my olive skin with like the golden undertones, as you see in the neck, you can see the golden undertones. The reason my face is not as golden is because the foundation is what kind of cools it down and changes the color a bit. I'm gonna use some eyeshadow as liner. That wing came out too far. It's okay. Okay, are they matched? Not sure. It's okay. It'll be a wing focus today then, if that's the case. I'm going to just add a little bit of liner down at the bottom to kind of define the lashes. And then the mascara usually covers a multitude of sins, so I'll just use the mascara next. So that's what the makeup looks like with mascara and that plummy blush. And it's not bad. It's a little more patchy on this side. Not sure why, but it was smoother on this side. So maybe it has something to do with the combo of products that I put on there. But besides that, I think it looks pretty nice for just kind of a subtle pink natural look. And I did do a lip liner natural lip look video just before this last week. So if you want to see lip liners that create that really pretty natural lips for every day, you're not trying to emphasize lips or anything, but just kind of enhance them a little bit, then I have a video with 10 lip liners that are complimentary. I think that is the look for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye.